trying to hear it, but now I would die to hear it.
Gang, so tell me why I didn't press start on the recording thing until just now. Guys, it is DION here, guys. We're here with another reaction to Chainsawman. It's episode 11. I'm like 1 minute and 25 seconds into it, but we're gonna start it all over, and y'all gonna, you feel me, be with the journey with me, you feel me? So here we go. I can't believe I could have swore it was recording. But like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell. My thing about the person that we see up in here is that they're extremely powerful. You know what I mean? Like, they gave the goofiest person like one of the best powers of all time, honestly. Very useful power, you know? And it's so cool. I like to see that. I like to see that. He gets everything he wants for real, whole time. So it's like, why are you trying to dictate my mood? You feel me? You're already getting everything you want. You feel me? Although bro's like locked up in the cage for real. He look like Melania. Facts. This is where I'm at. This is where I left. Well, I was, for me, without the recording part. Nah, that's so funny. Bitten by what? Are we serious? The Walking Dead mixed with... Yeah, I would have had to swing on him. I would have had to swing on him. I ain't gonna lie. He talking real reckless. I feel like that's a double entendre. An innuendo, you know? Feel me? Meaning two things. Maybe they're crazy in the way that, okay, cool, they're willing to do this. But they're also crazy in the way that they're willing to, like, take out the other Division 4 members. I'm dead. Is that a grenade in there? She's just gonna come back to life.
にできる人がいます。ご協力していただけるのならその人を紹介します。
Oh my god. Oh my god. Is she gonna finish him off? Is she gonna finish him
あ
off?
なたの言う必要悪というものは悪事を行う自分を正当化する言い訳です。その言い訳は社会に必要ない。必要な悪というのは常に国家が首輪をつけて支配しているものです。
That is hilarious. This is so funny. Unless the government, the garbo governments that are in control of everything control you and your deeds is not truly unnecessary evil. I'm dead. That's so crazy.
その上でお前たちが注意すべきことは一つだけ。特異4課はほとんどの隊員が人外で構成されている。4課の誰かが街に逃げたらテロリストが暴れるよりも被害が大きくなる。今回お前たちにはテロリストではなく4課と交戦になった場合に備えて隊員の特徴を
Wowzers. Wowzers. Aquaman? Aquaboy?
壁の中や地面、どんな場所でも泳ぐことができる。こいつは短い間なら悪魔の姿にもなれる。暴力の魔人。
The violence
に
fiend?
なると悪魔の時よりも弱くなるが、こいつは魔人でも強すぎるから毒が出る仮面をつけさせている。何があってもこいつの仮面は取るな。
そこの嬢ちゃん、逃げた方がいいよ。人間が噛まれるとゾンビになっちゃうよ。なんだ、悪魔か。
雲の悪魔。
The Spider Devil.
形をしている。人の姿に近い悪魔は人に友好的だが、悪魔は悪魔だ。感触で人を殺すぞ。
This is fire.
天使の悪魔。こいつは特殊な悪魔で人に敵意はないが近づくな。触れると寿命を吸い取られるからな。
Physical contact. Wow. I'm impressed you came this close.
見残しだったら大丈夫なんだろう。
They got an angel on their team. They got violence on their team. They got sharks on their team. Spiders on their team.
お前ら、ここは魔人たちに任せて、サムライソードでヘビ女を探すぞ。
あ？当てはあんのかよ。
ない。手分けして探せ。投稿し。
レディ吐き出し。
Craziest battle yet.
あいつを殺せ。
Craziest battle yet. Go ahead, Aki. Go ahead, Aki. Shot, boom. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on now. Don't play with him. Let him know what's up. Bro. That sword is nice. It's my power. You'll be able to peek a bit into the future. Oh, and he's willingly helpful. Like, that's tough. He know exactly how to move a little bit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is this really happening? Oh my God, Jesus. Nah, cause I feel disrespected. Why do you feel disrespected? I feel disrespected because I know dang well this looks like a fire outro, but I know dang well that they didn't just cut it off there like our boy Aki's finna get sprung up. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? So my whole thing with that is, you feel me? The episode ended. My whole thing with that is, I know how Chainsawman operates. You feel me? Just because you got ambitions, just because you got a goal, doesn't mean you're 100% liable to reach it. Especially in especially this anime. You know what I mean? So, Aki, love you to death. You feel me? W mans. You feel me? But gang, hopefully your future is bright and not dim. You know what I mean? But yeah, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. For real. You feel me? You know what I mean? It's gonna be uploaded tomorrow, but I'll see you guys in my next reaction video.